Hello, my friend. Welcome to another episode of our professional HTML series. I am Kingdom. In this video, we will be reviewing the requirements of a professional HTML development environment. By the end of this video, I will be telling you a secret that can make you even a better professional. Till then, please subscribe. Let's dive in. A professional HTML development environment must satisfy several essential requirements to facilitate efficient and high-quality web development. These requirements include 1. Text editor or IDE. To set up a professional development environment, we must choose a suitable text editor or integrated development environment IDE that is designed to support HTML development, such as Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text Editor. 2. HTML linter. We have to integrate an HTML linter or code analysis tool to enforce coding standards, identify errors, and maintain well-formed HTML code. 3. Emmet support. Employ Emmet, a productivity tool to speed up HTML and CSS coding through shorthand notation, enhancing development speed. 4. Live preview. Utilize a live preview extension or feature that offers real-time feedback on HTML changes, eliminating the need for manual browser refreshes. 5. CSS preprocessor integration. Ensure support for CSS preprocessors like Sass or Less, enabling processing and compilation within your development environment. 6. Version control integration. Your development environment should seamlessly integrate with a version control system like Git for collaborative coding, version tracking, and backup. 7. Extensions and plugins. Customize your development environment with relevant extensions and plugins to optimize workflow, including those for code formatting, auto-completion, and version control. 8. Integrated terminal. A professional development environment should have access to an integrated terminal for executing commands, scripts, and server instances directly from your development environment, simplifying tasks like package management and local server setup. 9. Code snippet management. A professional development environment should employ a code snippet management tool or extension for efficiently reusing common HTML structures and patterns. 10. Responsive design tools. A professional development environment should utilize tools or extensions for testing and previewing responsive web designs across various screen sizes and devices. 11. Syntax highlighting and auto-completion. A professional development environment should enable syntax highlighting for HTML and utilize auto-completion for tags and attributes to enhance code accuracy and quality. 12. Debugging tools. A professional development environment should integrate debugging tools for inspecting and debugging HTML, JavaScript, and CSS code efficiently. 13. Cross-browser testing. A professional development environment should ensure compatibility with different web browsers by utilizing browser testing tools or extensions. 14. Accessibility testing. Your environment should implement accessibility testing tools or extensions to confirm compliance with accessibility standards and enhance usability for individuals with disabilities. 15. Task automation. Your environment should automate repetitive tasks like minification, concatenation, and image optimization using task automation tools such as Grunt or NPM scripts. 16. Documentation support. Your development environment should access integrated document viewers or extensions for quick access to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript documentations. 17. Collaboration and integration. Your development environment should enable collaboration features, including code sharing and real-time collaboration, and integrate with platforms like GitHub or GitLab. 18. Customization. Your development environment should support customization, so you can tailor your environment to align with your preferences, adjusting themes, keyboard shortcuts, and code formatting settings as needed. The three major steps in setting up a professional development environment includes 1. Choosing a text editor or integrated development environment (IDE). 2. Setting HTML code editors and plugins for efficiency. 3. Version control systems for collaboration. Text editor or integrated development. Choosing between a text editor and an integrated development environment is a crucial decision that depends on your project requirements, your personal preferences, and your long-term goals. You need time to assess your needs, test different options, and select the tools that enhances your productivity and coding experience. In making this choice, there are three major considerations for experienced developers. 1. Experienced developers should prioritize customizability, compatibility, and performance when selecting development tools. This consideration ensures that their chosen environment aligns with their advanced skills and requirements, enabling them to work efficiently and effectively on a wide range of projects. Configuring your choosing editor or IDE. Setting up and configuring your choosing editor or IDE involves optimizing the tool's ship bindings, expanding its capabilities with extensions and plugins, and personalizing its appearance to create a workspace that caters to your coding preferences and maximizes your productivity. Essential plugins and extensions for HTML development includes HTML linters, Emmet, Live Preview, and CSS preprocessor integration. These essential plugins and extensions for HTML development optimizes your productivity, code quality, and overall development experience. They help you write clean code, error-free HTML, and speeds up coding through shorthand syntax. They offer real-time preview and seamlessly integrate CSS preprocessing into your workflow. Popular text editors and IDEs. Developers have a range of options when choosing text editors and integrated development environment (IDEs). These tools cater to different preferences, workflows, and programming languages. Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text are popular for their versatility, while JetBrains IDEs offer specialized support. Emacs and Vim are known for their deep customizability and efficiency-focused design. The choice ultimately depends on individual needs and coding style. Version control systems for collaboration. Version control systems are fundamental to professional software development. They foster collaboration, provide a historical record of code changes, enable efficient branching and merging, assist in conflict resolution, offer backup and recovery capabilities, support code review, and integrate with CI/CD pipelines. Incorporating version control into development workflow is essential for maintaining code quality and project success. In the next video, we will be setting up a professional work environment with Sublime Text Editor for those who love it, and my preferred Visual Studio Code editor, using Git as our preferred version control system. Yeah, to become even a better professional, you will do these three things. 1. Take your lessons seriously. Practice the same makes for improvement. 2. Give it time and be consistent. 3. Take professional courses. Yes, take professional courses from Coursera or Udemy. I have left links to these below. See you in the next video.